Texas Mickey Jack here. Loving life, living life, the crazy life. We are putting in the dishwasher drain and fixing the actual drain that was here already once before. As you can see, this was sitting like that. That was how it was set up. And so I just kind of wanted to kind of show you guys how this... it would be nice if the phone would just stay. There, we'll just do it from here. So we got this removed from the P-trap. There's the dishwasher line. And I don't know why this is leaking. It's not glued at all. Crazy. So, one of these things just doesn't belong here. One of these things just isn't the same. Nah. It's like a quarter of an inch on there. Look at all the shit that's stuck in there. That's kind of gross. Right? So we're trying to save the homeowner some money. We're going to replace this and reinstall it properly. Have two separate lines and drainage systems. One for the dishwasher, one for the sink.